Hello creatives, welcome once again to my channel. So today we are going to be learning how to make a full hat. I've already blocked the brim and the crown. Okay, so you watch till the end of this tutorial and see how I'm going to make a full hat, a full church hat. Okay, so if you have not watched how I blocked this, it's already on my channel, so you go there and watch it. Please, if this is your first time, kindly subscribe, like and share my videos. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. And so let's get started.
Okay, so I'm going to be marking out to measure out the length of wire that will be enough to go around this edge of my brim. So that's what I'm doing in the video. I want to find out the length of wire to use. And so I have about 45 inches to measure out. So I'm going to add an extra 1 inch, making it 46, because at the end, while forming the circle, I'm going to cross the two edges of the wire. So that's why I added the extra inch, so that when you cross it, you will still have a 45 inches. So now I'm going to use the masking tape to hold the two together. If you don't know yet how to mold this, I use a princess mat and also a shiny net, and I also already have a video on it, so you check my channel and I will also leave the link in the description box, so you go there and watch how I molded the crown. And that's exactly the same method I use in molding the brim. So can you see what I'm doing? I'm placing the wire inside the brim, the edge of the brim. Now I'm also going to go ahead to apply my glue at this edge. You can use this chew gum, or you can make use of your candle gum to do this. So you apply it and then stick them together. I'll also show you how it should look at the end. So you use your hand to press it down, and if it's not working, you can actually make use of your peg. Can you see how it looks? Now I'm also going to go ahead to use my trimmings to cover the rough edge of this. So I'm also going to apply the glue on the trimming, and then I will use it to cover up the rough edge of that area. So this is actually also how you wire your fascinator. It's one of the ways you can also wire your fascinator. So I'm making use of this way to also wire my brim for the full hat. I hope you are following this video. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. Now let's get to the main thing, which is coupling the crown and the brim. So I'm going to first of all place it, and then I'm going to mark it with my chalk, or you can make use of your pencil. And after marking this, from the circle, I'm going to also make another smaller circle by marking out 1 inch all round the circle. From the point I marked already, I'm going to make 1 inch to form another circle. You can actually connect with me on Instagram. I will leave the link in the description box also, and on Facebook at Nikki Collections. So if you are yet to subscribe, please kindly do so. I create contents on how to make your hats, fascinators and turban and other headbands and headwear. So now that I've created this other circle, I'm going to cut it out. You will watch how I'm going to cut it out. So I'm going to first of all create this hole and start cutting this way. This will help me to easily cut out the circle. So this is how I cut it out. Now I'm done cutting it out. I'm also going to be marking this kind of small cutting round the other circle. Please make sure that this cut does not touch the point that you marked. Just leave a little inch. Don't make it very close to the chalk. And after that, I'm going to raise them up, raise each of it up before joining my crown with the brim. This particular method, you use it for your church hats, to make all those full hats, church hats, wedding hats. That's how you couple the crown and the brim of your full hat. So, can you see? I'm going to apply my glue around this area. And after then I'm going to stick the crown like I showed before on it. And I also love to sew it, so I will also go ahead to sew it with my hand needle and thread. Makes it sewing, and the sewing makes your fascinator last longer. So I'll still go ahead to sew the two together. I do hope that you are finding this valuable and very easy to understand. Please like my video, and if you are yet to subscribe, please kindly subscribe to my channel. And you can connect me on other social media platforms, and I will leave the links in the description box. So now I'm going ahead to sew it, and while sewing, make sure that the thread is only showing on the inside, not the outside. So you sew it all around. Can you see our hat is forming already? So this is it after sewing. Can you see that the thread only shows inside? So now I'm also going to go ahead. This joining between the crown and the brim, you can cover it up with your trimming, with your cinnamon, with your crinoline, with your design of any form. So I'm going to be making use of this trimming to cover up the two joining. So I'm applying my glue before I will go ahead to stick it all around the joining. It makes it look more beautiful. So you can use this princess mat, your cinnamon, your crinoline to do this, or trimming, or your beads or pearls. So it makes it look so beautiful. So we are almost getting to the end of this tutorial. I hope you're enjoying and I hope you're following. Please don't forget to like, encourage me to by liking, and if you are yet to subscribe, please kindly do so. So my trimmings, I also applied glue and used it to cover up the heart. Can you see how beautiful it is? So you design to your taste. Thank you so much.